Yeah. Okay, hi everybody. Sitting here with Bongani and Suja. As most of you know, Bongani has turned 15. He's a nice old man, but it's 15 and full of beans. He's got your claws in me. A belated Happy New Year to everyone. Sorry for the delay, guys. It's been quite a start to the new year, I must just tell you. I had a whole list of things that I was planning on doing, and then life just took me by surprise. So it's been a really hectic few weeks at the sanctuary. A lot on the go, a lot to contend with, a few aging animals. There goes Suji and Bongani. So a few aging animals that have been in need of some intervention and some care, which obviously takes priority, and therefore I haven't been able to shoot the videos that I've been meaning to shoot. So please, my humblest, deepest apologies. I haven't forgotten about you guys. We have great things planned for the YouTube channel, for LionWhispererTV for this year. We're just trying to figure out, guys, how to take a little bit of the pressure off my shoulders, because as I'm getting busier and busier and I'm out and about and sometimes leaving the sanctuary for 2-3 days at a time, it's becoming increasingly difficult to make time to do these YouTube videos. So we are planning how to get the content out there to you guys, because we do realize how important it is in keeping you guys obviously interested in the content, and the realization of the ability to spread the awareness and the message is so powerful with YouTube and the growing number of people who have subscribed to the channel. It's really incredible. We hope to hit the 1 million mark this year, and it's really thanks to you guys. So please bear with me. This is sort of a holding note, so that we can really get our ducks in order, and we can continue to produce great content for you guys. Content that's educational, content that's informative, and obviously also the plan is to have content that's fun, because we learn when we're having fun. Can I have my hand back? So guys, please bear with me over the next week or two, and we will get to creating continuous content so that we can release a video like last year every Friday. So Happy New Year everyone. I hope 2019 is a good year for everyone, and all your hopes and dreams come true. Please stay tuned. We rely on you out there. So till next time, ciao.